What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. This is one of the most practical travel features in iOS 26. Your AirPods can now help translate a live conversation in real time, and it actually works in a way that feels natural once you set it up correctly. So in this video, I'll show you how to set up Apple Live Translation with AirPods. Live translation lets you hear translated speech directly in your AirPods, see the translated conversation on your phone. So when someone speaks another language, your iPhone processes it and you hear the translation in your ears. It turns your setup into a real-time conversation assistant. Before starting, make sure you're using a supported iPhone running iOS 26. Your AirPods are connected and active and Bluetooth is on. Also, keep both devices close and connected throughout the session. If AirPods disconnect, the experience breaks. Now open the Translate app on your iPhone. Select your language, then the other person's language. If needed, download the languages for offline use. This is important for travel. Offline translation is much more reliable in real situations. Now, you can start it in a few ways. Firstly, by opening the Translated app, then start a conversation, or use the Action button if configured. Once started, keep your AirPods in. Begin speaking or let the other person speak. The system will handle translation automatically. So what happens during translation? Here's the real flow. Someone speaks. Your iPhone captures and translates it. You hear the translated version in your AirPods. And at the same time, the translated text appears on your iPhone screen, so you get both audio and visual feedback. Now, let's see some real-world use cases. This is especially useful for travel conversations, asking for directions, ordering food, and even basic everyday interactions. It's not meant for perfect conversations, but it helps bridge simple communication gaps.
Kannst du mir zeigen, wo die Toilette
Some
ist?
important limits. A few things to keep in mind. Not all languages may be available. Accuracy depends on clarity and noise. And of course, internet may still be needed for best results. Also, this works best for short, clear sentences, not long, complex speech or conversations. To get the most out of live translation, speak clearly and at a normal pace. Avoid talking over each other and reduce background noise when possible. Also, keep your iPhone positioned close to the speaker. Small adjustments like these can significantly improve translation accuracy, so do them to make sure you have the perfect meaning to what you wanna listen to or translate. Now, quick setup checklist. Before you rely on it, AirPods should be connected to your iPhone with Bluetooth. The languages on the Translation app should be downloaded for offline use, which is better for you. And the Translate app should be ready to use. You need to test it once before you make a real-world conversation between yourself. Just try to translate a sentence and see if it works. Doing this before a trip saves a lot of frustration later. So, that's how live translation with AirPods work in iOS 26. Simple setup, but incredibly useful when you need it. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more real iPhone tips. And if live translation is not working for you, please comment your phone model and we'll figure it out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.